In this video, I will be showing you how to fix a ChatGPT Plus issue where your subscription features are missing. Let's get started. If your premium features aren't showing up, the first step is to log out of your current session. Click on your profile in the bottom left corner and select Log Out. Confirm by clicking Log Out on the pop-up menu. Now, wait a moment while the system processes your request and logs you out of all associated accounts. Once you are redirected to the main page, try logging back in. I'll click Continue as Diane May to use my saved Google account. The system will start verifying your credentials. If the page loads and you still see the upgrade button, it means the Plus features are still missing. Let's check if a browser extension is interfering with the site. Click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then hover over Extensions and click Manage Extensions. Look through your active extensions to see if any might be causing a conflict. Since everything looks normal here, let's open a new tab and check the official OpenAI Help Center. I'll type help.openai.com into the address bar. On the Help page, click on the Account, Login and Billing section to see if there are any known widespread issues. Then, let's go back and click on the ChatGPT section to look for solutions related to subscription access. If the documentation doesn't resolve it, let's head back to ChatGPT. Click on your profile in the bottom left corner and open Settings. From the Settings menu, navigate to the Billing tab. Here, you can view your billing history and information. Notice that the status for the latest billing cycle shows as void instead of paid. This is the root cause of the issue. The system has temporarily voided the payment status, reverting the account to the free tier. To fix this, let's try switching to a different web browser. I'll search for Microsoft Edge in the Windows search bar and open the application. Once Edge loads, I will open a new tab and search for ChatGPT. Click on the official OpenAI link from the search results to open the login page. Log in with your usual credentials. Once you are signed back in on the new browser, click on the chat box. You should now see that your recent history and full ChatGPT Plus features have successfully reloaded. Your interface is fixed and ready to use. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.